Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you're having a good day. I rolled my hair up last night and I just got out of the bathtub. So, so, um, some of my curls fell. I just realized that when I put the camera on. But anyway, I am enjoying a smoothie. It's peach, coconut, banana, and some walnut milk. Yeah, that's it. And I wanted to show you the Beyond Jerky. It's so good. I bought it as a snack. And so I wanted to kind of show you. I wasn't thinking when I first bought it I should have done the video then, but I didn't. So there's only little pieces in here. Because it's like at the bottom. So this is basically what it looks like. It's slow roasted and kettle cooked. It's gluten free and it's pretty tasty. I got it from a gas station. So it's not too hard to find. I think probably at Sheetz, Quick Trip, Racetrack, whatever state you live in, Marathon, all the like major gas station brand truck stop. And this video is not sponsored. I used to love Slim Jims when I was a little girl. Every time we went to the store, I had to get a Slim Jim. I don't care if it was a little Slim Jim or a big Slim Jim. I wanted a Slim Jim. So it gives me that Slim Jim flavor because it's a little smoky. And it's pretty tasty. I like it. So for you vegans, vegetarians, plant-based eaters, you get to enjoy some beef jerky or Slim Jim beef jerky. Of course, it's not beef. It's Beyond Meat Jerky, plant-based, slow roasted and kettle cooked. And that is the original. And I think they have a teriyaki. I'm not a fan of teriyaki, so I may never try that one unless someone else buys it. The other thing, my coworker had these, and these are delightful. I have to be in the mood for white chocolate, but these are really good. Again, this video is not sponsored. And here's what they look like. So I'm gonna take a bite. And the way I normally eat my Oreos is to bite off the top cookie. And Oreos are technically vegan, although they're not really good for you, but technically. Well, I don't know about the white chocolate. White chocolate normally has milk in it, so these may not be vegan. Regular Oreos are vegan, but these may not be. All right. I'm not going to lick the cream on video because I think that would leave too much to people's imagination, so. Again, this video is not sponsored. I just like to eat, and I'm turning you on to a couple things I tried recently. So I hope this video was helpful. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.